Yo! Yo! Oh! Haha! Get wrecked, dude. Welcome back. We're at the red light. Today I'm bringing you another video of me going to the gas station at night, just like all the sad e-boys do. Fantastic. Let's see what we see tonight. This should be a good drive. It just snowed. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, please consider to subscribe. If you like chill vibes, man, I love just bringing you guys along, showing you what it's like to be a car guy in the middle of the night. I really like to embody that persona. I always go to gas stations and try to get some cool like cinematic stuff. That kind of, that's just super fun to make. But as far as that, just, I mean, man, sit back and enjoy the ride. Man, I graduated from this school this year. Congratulations to me. Haha. Where are you going, dude? All right, be my guest. Man, dude, it's kind of busy tonight. It's like 11:30 right now. What is that, dude? Jeez. It's a little busy tonight, dude. Oh, that's where I wanted to go. Shoot. I guess we'll turn around. Actually, yeah, we might as well, dude. Oh man, Little Caesars is still open. Dude, I should get a pizza. That would be so good right now. I like this one because you can pull in, right, and then immediately pull right back out. And it's got a car wash built in. It's kind of a great gas station. And oh, the price is good, dude. The price is right. Oh, good news. Okay, pay pump not available. What is this? 8? How much do I want? Like 40 bucks? Dang. Pump 8, yeah. Yeah, could I get this and 40 bucks? I'm sorry. 40 bucks on pump 8. Why is pay at pump not available? Is it this one too? Oh yeah, I'm just an idiot. Well, there's no time like the present. It's gonna be a little shaky because I'm cold as shit. Oh, we need that. See, look at that, dude. It's like the pit stop, bro. Like, immediately you're just gone. Yeah, well, anyway, thanks for coming with me to buy lemonade. You guys are great. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye-bye.